Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with a clean slate. In this video, I will explain how to use Milky Gluta White soap. First, wet your entire body with warm water. This helps open your pores, allowing the soap to work more effectively. Make sure the soap itself is also a little damp. Always do a quick patch test if you have sensitive skin. Now, let's get to the application. Rub the Milky Gluta White soap between your hands or directly on your skin to create a generous, creamy lather. Spread this luxurious lather all over your body, paying special attention to any areas you wish to brighten or deeply cleanse. Be gentle and thorough. Once applied, gently massage the lather into your skin using circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. This helps the active ingredients penetrate. For best results, let the rich lather sit on your skin for an additional 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Do not leave it on for too long, especially if you have delicate skin. Finally, it's time to rinse. Wash off all the soap thoroughly with cool water. This helps close your pores and leaves your skin feeling refreshed. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, avoiding harsh rubbing. For optimal results, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.